students, let us solve this problem. An elevator is going up with a uniform speed of 5 meters per second. A ball is dropped from the elevator when it reaches 60 meters above the ground. Find the height of the elevator when the ball reaches the ground. So let us draw the diagram. This is an elevator and it is traveling with initial velocity of 5 meters per second. A ball is dropped from the elevator. So acceleration of that ball is 10 meter per second square acting in the downward direction. The elevator is continuing to go up. So the ball has traveled reached the ground in time t seconds. In the same t seconds, how much distance the elevator might have traveled up, that is what we have to find. So the ball is dropped from the ground from the elevator when the elevator is 60 meters above the ground. Now let us draw a graph. Initially, the ball is going up. The ball or stone. Okay, stone is moving up. Let us assume the stone moving up as positive y-axis. Let us draw a graph. The ball is moving up with 5 meters per second, and when it is dropped, it is under the free fall. The ball is changing its direction when the ball is dropped. That means the ball is traveling in the opposite direction. For a distance of 60 meters, the ball is traveling in the opposite direction. So S is negative because it is traveling in the opposite direction, and the ball moving up. We have taken it in the positive x-axis, and the acceleration is acting in the downward direction. We have considered stone moving up as positive y-axis, so acceleration is negative of 10 meter per second square. We know that there are three equations of motion, so let us consider the second equation of motion. From second equation of motion, S equal to ut plus half at square. S is minus 60 because we have taken stone moving up as positive y-axis. Now the stone is coming down, so S is equal to minus 60. Minus 60 equal to 5 meter per second. That is positive because we have taken stone moving up as positive y-axis, plus half into A is minus 10 t square. Minus 60 equal to 5t minus 5t square. Let us bring all the terms to the left hand side. 5t square minus 5t minus 60 is equal to 0. We can divide the complete equation by 10. So t square minus t minus 12 is equal to 0. So we have to factorize now. It can be written as t square minus 4t plus 3t minus 12 is equal to 0. So t minus 4 into t minus 3 is equal to t plus 3 is equal to 0. This implies t is equal to 4 or t is equal to minus 3. Time will be always positive. Time cannot be negative. Hence, the ball takes 4 seconds to reach the ground after it is dropped from 60 meters above the ground. So, what is the distance traveled by the elevator in 4 seconds? We can calculate it by using the formula. speed or velocity equal to distance by time. That means distance is equal to speed into time. Speed is 5 meter per second and time is 4 seconds. That means distance equal to 5 into 4, which is equal to 20 meter. The elevator is traveling in uniform speed. So the elevator will be at 60 plus 20, which is equal to 80 meter above the ground. That is the answer. That means if the elevator is traveling with the 5 meter per second and if a ball is dropped after 60 meter, that means the stone takes 4 seconds to reach the ground and the elevator will be 80 meter when the ball reaches the ground. That is the answer.